In this video, I'll be addressing about two-factor authentication on Discord and how it's just useless. First up, let me explain what two-factor authentication is. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a type of authentication which adds more security to your account by adding another security wall after the account credentials section, which requires you to verify your identity. It can be a code sent to your phone, email, or an authentication app. Now, what is 2FA on Discord? They say that it is a good way to add an extra layer of security to your Discord account to make sure that only you have the ability to log in. However, there are serious cons to their definition. Not only we can bypass Discord's 2FA system, it's pretty easy to. And you can easily be a victim of a hacked account. You may ask now, how? Why? Let me tell you how. So basically Discord has this account token system inside their database. You are probably used to tokens if you are a Discord bot developer, since bots carry a token as well. A Discord token is basically a bunch of random letters and numbers which acts like an authorization code to access Discord's servers through your account. Think of it as your email and password combined, which can be used to log into your account. But now, the real problem is, when you get someone's account token, you can easily bypass the 2FA verification and log into the specific account. This is how you can see your own token. If a token has MFA in the beginning, it means that particular account has 2FA enabled. Basically, instead of someone's email and password, if you're able to get their token, you can log into their account without any security provokes. That's how simple it is. You can find tons of videos of how to log into an account using a token only, though I cannot show you how to do it, since it abides Discord's terms of service to bypass security measures. You might have come across a lot of Discord nitro scams recently. Tons of people in your friend list would send you sketchy links saying they'll give you free nitro. However, the links make you download a file, which the person runs, and hence it proceeds to steal their account token to publicize the Discord nitro scam. Hence, I want to conclude that Discord should really work on their privacy system. Two-factor authentication doesn't really help if you mistakenly leak your token. To stay safe, just don't click on sketchy links. Don't install sketchy apps, and whenever you feel like there is a known activity in your account, change your password immediately. Changing your password also randomizes your token. With all that said, I hope you liked the video. Feel free to criticize my opinions in the comment section. Like or dislike the video and make sure to drop a sub if you enjoyed.